Wow! 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 Trash! Alright. I gotta figure something else out. Hold on.
I am worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all. When he paid the whole fee, put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way B, you will find liberty and have peace every day away. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands trying to do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the pain. Bible in my face.
What's up, sublers, subby bushes and oats, and subby OGs? It's your girl NayNay back with another video or whatever. Ooh. So today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this puff. It looks good. And if you all don't know, I am transitioning, so it's kind of a little bit more difficult, kind of, but not really. But I will get all that into the tutorial. So if you all haven't, make sure you please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time that I upload a video. Oh, where are my manners? If you are new here, welcome. If you are back, welcome back. You a subby OG. Let's get these subby OGs rocking up, y'all. So anyway, let's get right into this tutorial. Hi guys. Alright, so I have my scarf on, and we are just going to remove the scarf from the head. And as you can see, my hair flat. When I say flat. This is a old twist out. I don't know how many days, maybe like a week or so, but that's just how I sleep. So I was like, what style can I do? I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a puff. So all I'm doing is just taking out my 4 little puff balls, whatever you want to call them, and I'm just oiling my scalp because you gotta make sure your scalp is nice and healthy. And along with that, I just put some Jamaican black castor oil on my edges just to make sure my edges are nourished and well taken care of, because you gotta protect them edges, girl. You feel me? Okay. So here I am using my spray bottle that I just filled with warm water with my mist bottle. And here I am just going to spray the perimeter of my hair, the front and the back part, as you can see. But before we do that, since I am transitioning, I can't really apply water on my hair. I like to spray the bottle, mist it, and twirl under there, so that way I can make sure my hair is nice and moisturized and still get kind of damp, but not like wet to where it's going to mess up the ends. And I like to do this, maybe I think I did this 4 times, but I do it however many times I feel it's necessary. So it's all in your preference, but we're good. So from there, I'm just making sure my hair is nice and wet, and then right there I'm just spraying the perimeter of my hair, just that front part, as you can see. Make sure that's nice and wet, because you want to make sure you can get wet enough to where you can sleek it down without any problem. And you see that? The struggle of low porosity hair. Where it does not absorb in your hair and just gets all on you. You see that? You said the struggle of low porosity hair. So I always make sure I keep a towel around me and whatnot, and just do it like that. And right there, you just want to make sure that whatever dripped, it gets nice and smoothed out along your hairline, perimeter, whatever you like to call it. So I just do that with the front part and the back part of my hair. And I'm using the My Gel, one of my favorite gels, because I always use it. And I'm just using that on the perimeter of my hair too. So I just do on the front, I sprayed the back part of my section, and then I put the gel on the back part of my hair. And then I'm just taking a boar bristle brush, a soft boar bristle brush to be exact, and I'm just doing that and just trying to sleek down my hair. I'm not really worried about sleeking it like down when I initially first do it. And right there, I like to stretch out my what, elastic, whatever you like to call it. I don't know what you would call it, but I like to make sure that's stretched out. And right there, you can see I am just adjusting it. You can adjust it to however your liking is, but you may not get it on the first try. I definitely didn't get it on the first try, so you just gotta play with it. You just gotta work with it. So however you like it. So I'm just adjusting it in the back right there because I like to have it a certain way and have it feel a certain way. Because I don't like my puffs to be too tight, but I don't like them to be too loose. So I'm just trying to get my hair together there. Like, I have a lot of hair. My hair is very thick, so the elastic can get caught up easily in my hair. So I'm just making sure that that does not happen right there, because y'all, that'd be tragic. Trust me, I know. So I'm just still adjusting it right there. It takes a while for me to adjust it, but then I end up trying to tie it in a knot and seeing how that goes and whatnot. But this was a struggle. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, this was real life a struggle, y'all. A struggle. You gonna see why in just a second. Just a second. Bruh, you see that? Look at that. What is that? What's that? Wow. Wow. Trash. Alright. I gotta figure something else out. Hold on. So, after that tragedy, I had to go get a new band. So, in the process of trying to find one, I had to reapply the products to my hair. So, just more water, more gel, and just brushing it out. Because, yeah, the struggle. But it eventually worked out, and I was just trying to make it work just with that initially. But I should have known better, because one, I have a lot of hair and it didn't really fit, and it didn't look right. Like you see that? Like what was that on top of my head? What was I trying to do? That ain't cute. That is not cute. Okay? Not at all. So we gonna make this thing work. Whether we try or not, we gonna make it work. Make it work. Okay? So I'm taking it out of the hair. So I had to grab some scissors in Jesus' name and had to just cut it. Ooh, you gotta cut it, hey. You need to cut it, hey. And then we just stretching it out like that. And I'm going to try this again, like our failed attempt the first time. So right there, I'm just adjusting it to my liking, to however I feel as though it needs to be adjusted to. Because, yeah, again, my hair is very thick. My hair grew a lot. So, struggle real, y'all. Struggle really real. So, we just watch me struggle. I'm just struggling, okay? Just see that. And in my mind, I'm like, is this really gonna work? Are we gonna have another failed attempt? I was like, no. Not on my watch. Not today. Not this girl right here. Nah. So, just gotta adjust to your liking. Okay. So, ooh, girl. What did you think you doing? Girl. Hey. We trying. I'm trying here. Trying here. Okay, we getting progress somewhere. You see my daddy. Okay, so after I got to how I liked it, I just tucked it in so nobody could see where I had cut it at. And then I don't know why why am I saying we? Like, y'all doing this with me. I did to the back right there to my liking. And I am just going to adjust it the way it needs to be adjusted. Okay? So, yes. And I was jamming too. Y'all always know I jam when I do my hair, y'all. You feel me? Okay? So, I'm just basically adjusting it to how I like it. I like it like that. And I like it like that. Hey! So, that's my puff. That is my puff. It's massive. It's big. It ain't small. As you can see, I was feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey, oh, feeling myself. Oh. So, yes, that's my puff. I'm modeling my little puff for you all. It's massive. It's big. And it's cute. Yes. Thank y'all. I hope y'all like it. Okay, guys. So, you all saw how I turned that old twist out into this puff. Now, normally it doesn't take me a while to do my puffs. It took a little bit longer. Also, I didn't factor in that my hair has grown like a lot since my last protective style. Sorry, you hear the thunder. But you can see that my hair has grown since my last protective style, which was the braids. So it was kind of a little bit more difficult to kind of maneuver the tie, but I eventually got it, as you saw in the video. So yeah, it is possible to achieve a puff when you have transitioning hair. As you can see, my hair, there are like a few like straight ends, but not too many. Like the rest of them are really like curly. So yeah, that's how you can achieve a puff doing the method I showed you. So thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate you all's time. Please make sure you comment down below if you have any questions, or comment any video ideas that you want to see, whether it's hair. I do have a fashion haul coming up in the near future. Some reaction videos that I'm working on, so you will see all of that. So yes, please make sure you subscribe, and thank you, and yeah, bye guys.